If C vector is equal to A vector plus B vector, then first question, if C is equal to A plus B, find out angle between A and B. Second question, if C square is equal to A square plus B square, find out angle between A and B. Now here, mod C or C is equal to square root A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Now taking square both sides, so C square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Equation number 1. Now in equation number 1, substitute first case C is equal to A plus B. C is equal to A plus B. So A plus B whole square, that is A square plus 2AB plus B square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Here A square, B square cancel. 2AB cos theta is equal to 2AB. So cos theta is equal to 2AB upon 2AB. So it is 1. So theta is 0. It means A vector and B vector are parallel to each other. A and B are parallel to each other. Now in case 2, C square is equal to A square plus B square. So in equation 1, substitute C square is equal to A square plus B square. So A square plus B square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. A square, B square cancel. So 2AB cos theta is equal to 0, where A is not 0, B is not 0, cos theta is 0, so theta is 90. It means A and B are perpendicular to each other. A vector and B vector are perpendicular, and C is the resultant of A and B. Thank you.